Okay, let's see if we can start putting our glulam beams into our plan and see how we go there. So we're going to go to structure, beam. We should have our glulam beams that we've made, and we're after the 200 by 350. And then what we're going to do is to select our top point that's there and then drag that down until we reach the bottom there. Now you can see at the moment the beam is centered onto that. So what we're going to do is use the move tool, select the beam, and then press enter, and then select the corner, and then move that across to the edge that's there. Okay, now if you don't see the beams, they don't show up on your plan, and you can't see them, you may have to go into the properties over here, go to the view range, and change this here from might have been associated level. So if I go apply, you can see it disappears. If I go to the level below and hit apply, it comes back. Or I did unlimited before, but try one of those options. I'll leave one on the level below and we'll see how we go with that. So we just go apply and OK, and then you should be able to see your beam show up. And then go obviously back in there again, draw your next beam from the next side over here. And we're going from the top to the bottom. Okay. Again, we could go to the move tool, select the beam, press enter, select the corner, and then just move across to select the other line and line it up. Looking good. Okay, so now to do the top ones up here. Go back to your structure, beam, and then draw one from there across to there. And we are going to need to move that. So we select that, enter, grab the corner and bring that down like so. And then we just do that one at the bottom. Like that. We'll move that and grab that, press enter. Oops. Try that again. I actually just thought that there might be a different way that I could do this, so let's just delete that for a sec. I should have paid more attention. Oh no, it's okay. So yep, draw in the bottom one, go to move, select the beam, press enter, select the corner, and then drag that up to where we need it to be. Excellent. Okay, so now that we've got those ones there done, we're going to need to put a beam going crossways on these lines here. So back to that, back to the beam, and we're going from there straight across to there, there, straight across to there, there to there, there to there. All right, so it's looking pretty good so far. And the last one that we're trying to do is a diagonal. And so see if I can work out how to do this. I think we can go something like this. And the other one was from there to there. And see if we can work out how to do this. So that, and center, that, and that. Coping apply but no cut was made. Okay, so what we need to do first is we need to modify those, grab them and just bring them back again. Like that, I think. And same with this one here, just bring that back up. Just try doing the same here, just bring that out there. And try going cope now, that, press enter and then Right. Oh, there we go. And so what we need to do then is just edit those. So you're just going to have to tweak those corners around a little bit, and we should be able to drag them up, and then go back to cope, that to that. Okay, so do that, get all your corners looking like that, and then we will come back and modify these to better represent what we're trying to do. Okay, let's go back to cope, that to that to that. Oops, other way around. And that to that. There we go. That to that. Beautiful. Okay, so now we're starting to get somewhere. Grab that, bring that down. Alright, so you're getting the idea. Drag all those through and then use that coat tool to trim away bits that we don't need. Beautiful. And I think there is a way. Where's our... Might be able to go... Let's try this. No. I'll have a look at that. Alright. Okay, so what we can do is use these. We can just drag those little corners back. So we should be able to grab those and line them up with that edge. Why is that not working? Alright, we'll just try doing that to that. And that to that. Okay, so that's done all that. Now you will notice that we've got some slight gaps around in there. So what we can do then is to select all of those things. Whoops. Might remove them. Oh, we've got to split this one in the middle first. So let's select that one. Find our split tool, which is one of these. This one here, I think. And so we want to split that there and there. I think that's what we're doing. And then we want to use our coat tool and go from that to that. Well, I think we're going to get rid of that bit in the middle first. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so now we've got the two elements. Okay, drag that end over a little bit like that. Drag that one over like that. Okay, use our coat tool, click on that, do that. Click on this one, do that. Okay, so you notice that we've got some gaps there and some gaps around the corner. So what we want to do is select all of those if we can. Don't want to move them. Let's try that. No. No. Try that way. Oh. Why is it not letting me? What's it not doing? Okay, let's try going. And should have what we're trying to look for is the coping gap. So I'm just holding down the, there we go, coping distance. So we don't want it at 20, we want that to be 0.0. Enter. And you see it's closed those up, closed all those up. We want to do that one there, coping distance. So click on anything that we've done the coping to, and we should be able to change that and just hit apply, That cleans up all of those edges like that. Beautiful. Okay, so we want to do that, and then we need to repeat that process down, and so we follow those all the way down. So you might be able to then grab those two selections and do a pattern and repeat, or copy and paste, and see how we go. Or I might do that in the next video. All right, stay tuned. We're done. Yep, stay tuned. We'll go look at the next video and we'll copy that down.